Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 15, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures are trading lower by 3.5 points. Right now, the futures are sitting at 24.90 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, we have a little bit of down ticking ahead of the opening bell. Now, yesterday we had a pretty flat day after the first hour. I'm not sure what we're going to expect today. Volume trends continue to remain very, very light, although this is a quadruple witching expiration, which means there are 4 different asset classes expiring today. We'll see how this plays out. All in all, you want to switch over to the Z contract, which is the month of December, as today is contract rollover for many of these equities. So again, if you're trading something like the US dollar index, you move over to the Z contract. Trading the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you move over to the Z contract today. Same will go for the NASDAQ or the Russell futures, NASDAQ being the NQ, the Russell being the TF. So it is contract rollover, and you do want to move over to the Z contract, which represents the month of December. All right, let's get into the charts here. Last night we had Oracle, ORCL, report earnings. Oracle right now trading at $50.81. Stock closed at $52.79. So this is a 2-point haircut for Oracle today. Very, very good little decline. The only level that gets me interested in Oracle will be around $48.45. We get down there, I like Oracle on the long side. So keep that on the radar today, $48.45. After that, probably got to look all the way down around 45 bucks. So again, those are 2 support levels I'm seeing this morning for Oracle. It looks like Spirit Airlines came out with news that they are going to be negatively impacted from the hurricane, and that stock is getting hit. There's still a lot of support in the name, around $29.75. Should it trade down there, we'll see how it plays out. But in sympathy to this news, you have a nice sell-off in American Airlines. That is trading lower as well. Stock closed at $46.19, trading at $45.10. And I believe United Airlines is also trading lower on that news. So this stock closed at $61.25, now trading at $59.65. So airline stocks will be on our radar today, and we'll see how they play out. If you are looking at Southwest Airlines, ticker symbol LUV, what you will see is that that is trading higher on the news. So again, Southwest holding up very, very well. Meanwhile, you have Spirit, American, and United selling off this morning. So again, it's going to be very, very interesting to watch and see how these airline stocks play out today. They will be on our radar. We'll be looking at all of them once the opening bell rings. In the news, we do have a big upgrade for First Solar. FSLR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading $50.05. It closed at $48.43. So stock is popping higher. It did have a nice bullish base on the daily chart. So we'll give it the upside bias to around $50.50, maybe even $50.75. I don't really see it going much higher than there, but hey, you never know. It's a nice little pop for First Solar. Cruise lines are in the news today. So we got Carnival Cruise. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. Stock is trading lower. It closed at $68.74. This is now trading at $66.90. There does seem to be a gap fill right here around this 65, 85, 65, 75 level. That is still a very good support level for Carnival Cruise. So we'll watch that level. We'll see how it plays out. Also, keep on the radar today, Royal Caribbean, RCL is the ticker symbol there. That is also trading down, but there's no real volume here, so I doubt the stock will open up at that level. But hey, you never know. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Royal Caribbean, in my opinion, has a lot of support today at $115.25 if it does trade down that low. So we'll have to look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if volume comes back in this market, and we'll see how it plays out. Remember, this is a quadruple witching expiration, so it could be quiet in the early part of the day. Then towards the latter part of the day, you'll get rebalancing in some different indexes, and you could get some real good whipsaw and movement in a lot of different equities. So be aware of that. That'll happen probably in the last hour of the trading session today. All right, let's shift gears here. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is basically trading higher by $1.30 right now to $1,330.60 an ounce. So if you take a look at the GLD, that is trading at around 126.12, closed at 126.16 yesterday. Crude oil, which has been on the move this week, is retreating just a little bit today. That is down 11 cents to $49.78 a barrel. So if you're looking at the Oil market, you could follow it looking at the USO. It really registers price movement pretty well, and this is trading at $10.18. So oil is down a touch, gold is up a touch, and that's really what we have today. You have an options expiration Friday on our hands, and again, quadruple witching, which will take place today. That means 4 different asset classes expiring today, and it is contract rollover. So there you have it. That's what we have today. Again, another solid day in the intraday stock chat room yesterday. If you have not done so yet, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're not going to cover off the ball. We're going to look to do that again this morning. With that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here short and sweet. Futures down 4 1/4 points, and we will see you on the charts.